Hey YouTubers, we're back again today, but this is actually some old film, old video I had of a dive that I did on December 31st, 2024, with my nephew by marriage in San Andrés, on the coral reefs of San Andrés in Colombia. Santiago, you'll see him, he's the young skinny guy with the yellow fins on. He is deaf and dumb and had always wanted to do some scuba diving. So what I offered to do was to pay for him to go along on a relatively shallow dive. I think the maximum we went to was about 18 meters. The young guy you see with the cap on, he was Elvis, I believe his name was. He was a Colombian PADI instructor, and basically we did the introduction to dive, and Elvis actually offered to just take Santiago and look after him and fix his buoyancy and everything else. And of course, at that particular point, I hadn't dived for a while, so I brought along the GoPro and tried to record it more for Santiago's sake than mine. So you'll see here, we're actually on the reef. It's a little bit of a sandy bottom here. We do see more reef later. But honestly, I was extremely disappointed to see that there was very, very little fish life down there. You know, just the odd puffer fish, the odd little angel fish, just not much at all to see. But yep, you can see we're not wearing wetsuits except for Elvis. He's got a rash guard on. The water was incredibly warm, probably close to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And we had fun. So that's about it. So I'll just keep my yap shut, let you enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at the end, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.